Hello friends, today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw 3D lotus flower and rose flower with the shading. So let us start with the lotus flower. So first we are going to draw lotus flower and then at the end I will apply shading in that flower. So first draw the middle petal of lotus flower. Then just cover the size of flower. Just cover the random size of flower. Now this is the center petal of lotus flower. Now next I am going to draw right side petal of this lotus flower. Now this light line will helps you to maintain the shape of 3D flower. Now again we are going to work for the last petal of right side of this lotus flower. Okay, now next we are going to draw for the left side petal of this lotus flower. Okay. Now next connect this second petals from the right side, from the left side to right side. Again draw one more parallel line. Now next we are going to make petal around these lines. So first we are going to start with the center petal. Okay, so now the drawing part of this lotus flower is now finished. Okay, one more thing is remaining. Now draw the downwards petal of this lotus flower. Then again one more to give the better perfection. Now next just dark this line. Now apply dots. Okay, now next now to start shading, now this is the center big petal of this lotus flower, so just apply shading in this direction. Don't press your mehndi cone, just spread this border into the downward direction. Now again for this petal, now we are going to shade in this direction. Without pressing, I am applying this shading. Again for this petal, I am going to apply shading in this direction. Then for this petals, little bit shading need to apply for this petals. Just apply the shading in each petal of this flower. Now for this downward petal or bottom petal, shading need to apply in upward direction like this. While you are applying shading, don't press your cone. Just spread this mehndi now. Next, I am going to draw rose flower. So I always start rose flower from the middle petal. So first I am used to draw with the middle petal, then start with random side petal. And slowly just cover all sides of this rose flower. Now as you can see, this petal is the center petal of this rose flower, and around this petal I have draw different other petals. So here we have completed the rose drawing Now next is to apply shading in the flower. So now again in the center flower I am going to apply shading in the downward direction. Now for this petal I am applying shading in right side. See, for the left sided petal apply shading in right side, and for the right sided petal apply shading in left direction. I have used this shaded rose flower in many tutorials. Now for this petal I am going to apply shading in down direction. So in this way different varieties of flowers you can draw, and then you can apply shading according to the shape of particular flower. So here I have completed rose flower and lotus flower. Now similarly you can also apply shading in leaf also.